Hi, this is Daniel Ramey with Circo Innovations. Today we're going to show you how to build the PVC Chicken Tractor. Let's get started. I'm going to show you what it looks like inside the coop here. So we got a little support design using slip tees here for hinges on this door system, as you can see. Coming over here, we have buckets cut out for the coop for the lay boxes. Over here kind of comes in, it has some roosts made out of PVC pipe. Comes up here and ties into the roof. Got this grizzly board. All right, to get the exact DIY plans to build a chicken tractor, you can go ahead and get our plans book. It looks just like this on the back cover. Has lots of other plans in there. But right here, we have the exact plans of how to build the chicken tractor, showing how to build the coop itself as well. It goes into detail, and this is what we referenced when I built this, on what stuff to buy, what supplies you need, so on and so forth. It goes into detail on every aspect. So I'm going to be referencing this as I go through, but like I said, go ahead and purchase this on our website, www.circoinnovations.com, and get this plans book, and this will walk you through how to build the chicken tractor. Okay, so now we're focusing on the frame of the chicken pen itself. We're going to go ahead and start with 6 sections of 1-inch PVC pipe cut to 67 inches long. All right, you're going to place one of the 67-inch sections here. Got into the pre-existing frame, stuck on a slip tee there, and a slip tee there, and one at the end. We're going to run one of our nice long ones through that slip tee. So I put 2 of my 67-inch sections off here, off the 5-way and the 4-way, and then over here I laid 2 down for when we start getting closer, they'll be in the right spot. Go to the 67-inch pieces of pipe section. I'm going through the slip tee here, and I'm going to go into this 4-way. Okay, now I'm taking one of the 46-inch sections and I'm placing it right here, and I'm going to grab some of my fittings. All right, what we're doing now is I'm just laying out some of the pipes. Right now I have the 59-inch sections, and I'm just laying out where they need to go. Got one there, I'm going to do another one. And when I double them up like this, I'm just mirroring them for when we do the top level, we can just move them up and knock them in. So I got my 4-way here, got my slip tees, we're tying into this top section here. Now we're just going to put our support beams right here. I got my 4-way for this top, and the 3-way. Okay, so you come to a section where you're pretty sure it's all set. It's right where you want it to be. Maybe you've tapped it in with a rubber mallet or a hammer, and you just want to make sure it's all the way in. We're using self-tapping screws to hold them in. You could also use glue. Another 40-incher right here. Another 4-way. We're here to the last section. We have 2 3-ways for the ends here, and we have 2 sections cut to 59 inches long and 2 sections cut to 46 inches long. So let's finish up. All right, so we're back. As you can see, the grass is a little greener around us because we took 3 or 4 weeks off this project, and now we're back. So where we left off, we were about to put a pole right here into the 3-way. Well, that changed a little bit. We have actually now a T at the bottom of this pole, and we made a small piece of pipe to 3.5 inches long. And then this section here is now 35 3/4 inches long. It's going to go down in this corner, and it's going to plug into that three-way at the base. Now the reason we're doing this is this is going to be tying into our wheel system. There's another T just like it on the other side. It's going to allow us to pop those wheels up and allow this to be a chicken tractor if we moved around. All right, now we're going to move it to the top here. We had the three-way we were about to jump in. This is how the plans make it. It just punches right in, ties this corner off. Well, we actually decided to make a couple changes for our use, for our needs. We decided to use a four-way, just like this. We did it on all four corners of the design here, and we decided to put a little kick out here with a small section and then a 45-degree elbow with a piece of pipe right there. The reason we're doing this is we have a problem with cows being in these pastures and rubbing up against the chicken tractor and breaking it over time. So we've allowed this to go up on all four corners. We'll be running an electric fence wire around this. This also protects it from bears that come around and try and get into the pen as well. Okay, so our wheel system. What we have here is a 118 inches long piece of pipe. You can use metal if you like to. You could use PVC pipe, flexi pipe. Really doesn't matter as long as it holds up over time because it does get a lot of flex on it. So 118 inches long. Then we had one slip T here at the base. I don't know if you can see that. One of those there. And then it goes up and you have a 4.5 inch section of PVC pipe. And then you have a T with a small section that's about 2 inches long out of the T that's going to fit into this T that's part of the structure. So we'll show you how that works. These tires, you can use any tires you'd like. We just found these to be useful and they've lasted a long time. So a small piece is going to plug into this piece right there. Same thing on this side. All right, next we have this pole here. We suggest hinging from the side next to the coop because it's the heaviest section now. We have our same design. We've put a little clamp right here to strengthen this T. We're going to do the same thing on that side just to strengthen it because it gets lots of torque on it. We're going to put this pole here on the end. Okay, now let's talk about some things we can improve to make this design last longer. We have found over time having this roof design, there's a lot of pressure right here on the ridge. So we're going to measure this section here. We want to put a support. Came out to 42 inches. We were going to put that line in there, but maybe we already have everything glued together. And what we're going to do, we have to cut everything apart to put one in? Not necessarily. We have a fitting here called the side saddle T. It can just snap on to anywhere on the PVC pipe, just like that. You can line it up and then screw it in. We've just found this over time. It's not part of the design, but if you're going to go ahead and make this chicken tractor, we suggest putting in this extra support beam. Chicken wire or chicken netting just got in. As you can see here in the description, it's 1 inch by 6 foot by 50 feet long. The poultry netting, we got it from Home Depot. So this is what we're going to be using to put over the chicken tractor. These are the items you will need for the next phase of putting the wire on. You have the J-clips here, get a couple bags of those. The J-clip tool, the blue handles here. The yellow ones here, just wire cutters. Thanks for watching this video. If you haven't already, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. For any of these products and more, go to www.circoinnovations.com. Thank you.